Hi, I'm Terry Hayden and I represent Hazelden Services, Hazelden Foundation at hazelden.org. We're a full spectrum treatment clinic and we have been around in Minnesota since 1949, offering a full spectrum of services from inpatient residential to intensive outpatient services, as well as extended care for both men and women, youth services. We have services for youth and younger adults. We have an inpatient center, we have extended care, we have our halfway house intermediate care. We also have the Lodge Renewal Center for opportunities to come back and do workshops and presentations and experiential opportunities for alumni and their families. And we have a full graduate school program as well as publishing services. We also do continuing care and our web-based services of our MORE program.
Terry, Hazelden has educational programs. Can you tell us a little bit more about those?
Sure. Hazelden has a graduate school program on site in our Minnesota campus, which is an accredited college which offers both a master's program in addiction studies as well as a one-year certificate program in addiction studies.